Hello, Grants Pass High School students. Just putting together a quick video right now so you can see the next step in getting access to videos on Nepris or Oregon Connections. So once you've created your account, it'll take you to a page that looks similar to this. And you are going to need to unlock video access in order to be able to view the videos. There's two places that you can see this option. Right now I can see one right here, and then there's also one in the sidebar. That sidebar is consistently there for everyone. So I'm going to click on that real quick. And then it pops up this access code. Okay. For you guys in Career Academy, this is your access code. It is in Canvas. Copy and paste it before you go to the web page, or copy it. And so then when you get to the web page, you can paste it. But it's 4CGN-9NMF. If you click that and then click Unload Video Access, then when you do a search for learning more and you pull up a video that you would like to see, you can click on the video, and now this box pops up over on the side, and then you will be able to see the video there. If you haven't properly unlocked access, this will say log in or create an account. But once you can see a person here, then you know you're okay to hit play. Hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys.